tips.
Well, think about what happens with folks during the course of the year. There are some silent ways that they are in danger, in harm's way. You might not even know you're in danger, but taking one simple step of precaution can protect you from a silent and deadly killer. This Villa Park family didn't even know they were fighting for their lives when an invisible and odorless gas seeped into their home last month.
We woke up and my uncle, he passed out.
When Dee Santiago and 10 other family members woke up, they felt sick and were hospitalized.
We are very fortunate. They're very fortunate. We could have lost a family up to 11 people today. I'm surprised we didn't lose one.
First responders found carbon monoxide poisoning to be the culprit. Symptoms can be confused with flu symptoms, including shortness of breath, nausea, dizziness, and headache, and in some serious cases, fatal. The American Red Cross says approximately 200 people die from carbon monoxide from appliances in their own homes, such as furnaces, water heaters, and room heaters.